Ever wondered how to save money in your kitchen? Of course you have. We all have. Well, here are some handy tips that will help you do just that. Firstly, always buy produce when it's in season. Not only will you be supporting local farmers, but you'll also be taking advantage of the law of supply and demand. The more plentiful the produce, the less expensive it will be. So, next time you're eyeing those tomatoes, remember if they're in season locally, they're likely to be cheaper than the ones that have been shipped in from afar. Next, know what to freeze and how to do it. You see, the quickest way to waste money in the kitchen is to throw away food. So find out the best way to freeze leftover ingredients and how long you can keep them frozen. Frozen overripe berries make killer smoothies, blackened bananas thaw perfectly for homemade banana bread, and any variety of nut can be transformed into a to-die-for brittle. Now, on to meats. Get familiar with the less popular, usually tougher cuts of meat and learn how to cook them. They're often less in demand and therefore cheaper. So talk to your butcher about shoulders and stew meats and offal cuts of all different proteins. Investing in quality storage is another key tip. Yes, it might seem like a splurge, but sturdy, reliable, resealable bags and containers can make all the difference in preventing freezer burn and mold. Remember, air and moisture are your enemies when it comes to freezing. Finally, always have ingredients on hand that can stretch a meal. Long-lasting staples like rice, dried pasta, and tortillas can help you reinvent leftovers and ensure every morsel is eaten. So, there you have it. A handful of tips to help make your dollar stretch further in the kitchen. It's all about strategic planning and a little homework. So get to it and start saving today.